So this question is count the digit that divide a number. So given the integer nums, return the number of a digit in num that divide num. So the question is pretty straightforward. So let's do this. So in the example 1, 7 is only a digit, and then 7 multiplied by 7 definitely equal to 0, right? And then 1 to 1, so if you split the digit, it's going to be 1, 2, and 1, right? So if you do this, so if you mod every single digit, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this does not equal to 0. So it's what? It's going to be 2, right? Because this and this count as valid. So it's valid for this constraint, right? So 1 to 4 is, so if you split the digit, it's going to be 1, 2, 4, and 8. So basically just do the checking. 1 to 4a is this mod by 1, mod by 2, mod by 4, and mod by, and they are all equal to 0. So it's going to be what? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to show you two of example. So the first one is actually the straightforward one. So it's result and also the temp value that I want to keep my value as a num, so I can mop every single digit. So while 10 doesn't equal, while 10, come on, doesn't equal 0, right? So I want to make sure if num mop by the digit is equal to 0. If this is true, I'm going to increment the result, and then else I'm going to just divide by 10, right? So what's a digit? Digit is what? The value. So the value I need to mod, right? So it's going to be 10. So mod by 10, right? So num doesn't change. So I will just keep dividing by 10 for the 10 value, and then increment the result if they satisfy. So I will return the result, which is a counter. Cool. So time and space. This is log base 10, 10. Log base 10, and then space is constant. All right. So let's look at another one. So in this one, I'm going to still using the temp equal to num, and also the result equal to 0, and then I have to return result. So in this one, basically store every single digit into the queue, and I will traverse the probably 10. 10 might be the value that I'm going to traverse. So I'm going to just offer the 10 multiplied by 10, and then 10 divided by 10. And then since every single digit is inside my queue, so while the queue doesn't equal to empty, and I need to do the checking. So the current value is going to be what? Q dot poll, right? The current digit, right? So if the num mod by the Q dot poll is equal to 0, I'm going to increment the result, right? So this will be the solution. Okay, looks like there is something is wrong. Cool. So for this one, the space you stored in the queue. So I would say determine the length of the num you have. So all of n, and the time is going to be still the same, log base 10 n, and this is a number of digit which is equal to log base 10 n. So time and space are pretty much the similar, but prefer whatever you want. All right, I will see you later. Bye.